How to use Mailchimp for email marketing free. You can do this in 7 steps. 1. Sign up for a free Mailchimp account and log in. Mailchimp's free plan allows you to send emails to up to 500 contacts. 2. Create an audience by going to Audience, Create Audience. Add subscribers manually or import a contact list. 3. Design an email campaign by clicking Campaigns. Create email. Choose a template or start from scratch using Mailchimp's drag and drop editor. 4. Write compelling subject lines and email content. Keep your message clear and engaging to encourage opens and clicks. 5. Test your email before sending by previewing it on desktop and mobile. Send a test email to yourself to check formatting. 6. Schedule or send the email immediately. You can choose to send emails at optimal times based on Mailchimp's recommendations. 7. Track email performance under the Reports section. Analyze open rates, click-through rates, and subscriber engagement to improve future emails.